Bright's Market Minutes. I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Bright MLS Chief Economist. There are a lot of conflicting signals in the housing market right now. Usually we would be gearing up for the mid-spring market with sellers getting their homes on the market and buyers touring homes with agents. This year, buyers are interested despite higher mortgage rates, but sellers are still sitting out. And in some markets, it looks like we might have hit a ceiling on prices. So what are 3 things to watch in the market this spring? First, let's be sure to watch mortgage rates, which have fallen for 4 weeks in a row. The drop in mortgage rates came as uncertainties in the banking sector sent investors looking for safe places to put their money. But mortgage rates could be on the rise again because the Federal Reserve has signaled it's not done with its inflation-fighting rate hikes. Second is home prices. Prices in the Mid-Atlantic had been stable or rising, even as other markets in the U.S. had seen price drops. But this month, the median sales price in both the Baltimore and Washington metro areas was down compared to a year ago. This is a first for Baltimore since 2018, but it's the second drop in 4 months in DC. There have also been year-over-year price declines in some of our other smaller markets, particularly in central cities and in some rural areas. Home prices could come down more in our market, but there's no reason to expect major price drops. Finally, we need to keep an eye on sellers. New listings have been very low heading into the spring, and buyers have really been out ahead of sellers. Many homeowners are not going to be enticed to sell because they have a rock bottom mortgage rate. I do expect new listing activity will continue to stay low this spring, and we'll really need to wait until the second half of the year to start to see improvements in new listing activity. That's it for this month's Market Minutes. Check out Bright's monthly and weekly housing market reports on the Bright MLS website. And don't forget to register for our monthly housing market webinars. If you miss them, you can always find a recording on the Bright website. See you next month.